In the epic Mahabharata, Karna was a great archer. Yet he wanted to improve his skills and be better than Arjun as the number one archer. Unfortunately, Guru Dronacharya refused to train him, and Karna goes great lengths to get finally trained by Dronacharya's guru Parshuram himself. Kamla Hassan, a great actor, after winning so many national awards, goes to learn Kathak from Pandit Birju Maharaj because there was a role he had to play in a movie as a Kathak dancer. A.R. Rahman, even after winning Oscars, finds specialists in various genres of music and learns from them with all humility. Sufi music is one of them. Karna, Kamla Hassan, A.R. Rahman and other greats all have one thing in common. Beyond the fact that they were the best in their domain, they went back to learning when there was a need. It was not just a need to get a promotion or make more money, it was need to excel in what they are doing. Even if it is one song as a Kathak dancer for Kamla Hassan or one Sufi composition to tune for A.R. Rahman. There are many such examples in the field of sports, music or movies. Be it individual sports stars trying to fine-tune their motor skills or singers learning voice culture. These stalwarts are stalwarts because they see a need to improve and excel and find ways to learn that. That's what we call growth mindset. The way I see it, there are two types of needs when it comes to learning. One is the extrinsic need and the other is the intrinsic need. Extrinsic needs are those that help stay relevant in the industry and makes you rise to the challenges. The intrinsic needs are much more personal to you, your passion, your desires, and the ones which defines you. I want to talk about my extrinsic needs first. I had the hunger to grow and excel. But I was clear that hard work alone is not enough, but the right skills, trainings, and certifications will be key. After my engineering graduation, I started my career in IT and telecom industry. I had a very clear path charted. I knew what role I wanted to get into if I had to climb the corporate ladder. I wanted to move from a technical to solutioning role, so I completed my MTech from BITS Pilani. And also I got certifications in PMP, Prince, ITIL, ETOM, CMI, SAFE, etc. When I decided to move to the leadership role, I enrolled into an executive MBA program from IIM Kolkata. While all of these were my extrinsic learning needs, there was this intrinsic need which was burning inside me all along. I come from a family of doctors. My father is a well-known physician. However, because of certain circumstances and interests, I could not pursue that path. But the passion in me was always there to serve the mankind. While it was late for me to go back to a conventional medical school, I found a way to satisfy my passion by learning alternative medicine. I enrolled into a 6 years rigorous course in alternative medicine from Institute of Bioenergetic Medicine, USA, and now I am a certified medical doctor. I could add the title of doctor at the age of 42. Believe me, it's never too late. With this medical knowledge, I have touched 10,000 plus lives globally. I have treated spectrum of problems from life-threatening diseases like cancer, autoimmune infections, etc. to lifestyle impacting issues like allergies, migraines, anxiety, depression, thyroid, etc. I realized that I should listen to both the needs. The extrinsic and intrinsic needs are like your father and mother. One brings money and puts food on the table. The other one feeds your passion and satisfies your appetite. You know which one is which. Understanding of extrinsic, intrinsic needs, and ability to envisage the future and putting in the hard work and dedication to achieve it. I attribute all these learnings and experience to the cricket I have played in the younger years of my life. Hope you're working on your extrinsic needs. But how about your intrinsic ones? Once you know it, don't be shy to get a formal training. That's what converts a hobby into a more serious profession. Wish you a best of luck to your learning journey.